Well, the holidays are the happiest time of year for many, but for others, it can trigger painful memories. News Channel reporter Mina Wahab takes us behind a free behavioral wellness access line.
A survey by the American Psychological Association found that 89% of U.S. adults feel stressed during the holiday season, with 41% reporting higher stress levels compared to other times of the year. This stress can lead to physical illness, mental health issues, and substance abuse. But here locally, the free behavioral wellness access line is helping people around the clock.
When I saw that my husband's motivation to get up was just gone, that's when I knew that I needed to do something, because he didn't want to do this anymore, Mina.
Charlemagne Segovia says one call in 2023 changed her family's life.
I'm very grateful for that hotline that he did want to do this, because if we didn't make that phone call, I cannot guarantee where we would be right now.
Segovia's husband says after the very first call, a light bulb went off.
The ability to unpack trauma with someone on an access line, I feel, was the catalyst to get me where I'm like, hey, I could do this. Hey, what she's saying is working. I was able to have a consistent companion to conversate with about my struggle and it not be judged and looked down upon.
This is Sharon.
Sharon isn't just a voice on a phone.
Hi.
For many, she's their lifeline.
Yay!
You never know what you're going to get. There can be a crisis, there can be a suicidal person calling, someone just calling because they're on probation and they were referred to go to substance use treatment program.
It's a job that requires a balance between compassion and tough skin.
You're talking people who have had rough times, who are at oftentimes their lowest, people struggling with housing issues. Their mental health is so severe that it's impacting their ability to function on a daily basis.
And for the safety of the workers, we won't be sharing their last names. The 10 Access Line workers field approximately 50 to 80 calls per day, everything from mental health crisis calls to substance use issues. Erie says she has seen it all.
It gets heavy.
But she says the heart of her mission is to help people help themselves.
Part of our job was to empower people, to really, give them the tools and give them, the hope and something to hold on to so they can go forward and connect.
Each of these boxes are different programs in different areas of the county, outpatient, residential treatment.
The Access Line workers connect people to life-saving resources.
There's also a big push to integrate the substance use and mental health. So any one of these things that's happening, we can sort of triage and figure out how to help the human in front of us and not, just one piece of it.
When it comes to substance abuse, sometimes it helps to have a friend who's been there before.
When you're dealing with substance abuse, you don't think you have a problem.
When did you realize that your drinking was a problem?
After I lost my family.
Anthony's experience helps him connect with callers.
I know how hard it is to not feel understood by others, because that's a battle that, sometimes it's internal.
We are there at a very crucial time in a lot of people's lives, when they're at those crossroads where they're making a decision, do I live or do I not live? And we can give them that hope that there's a reason to live. We can help them find that within themselves.
It's really necessary to get help, because just having someone to talk to can make a world of difference. Just having someone to support you and to feel like you're not alone.
And you can reach the free 24/7 access line at 888-868-1649. The number is right there on your screen, and services are available in both English and Spanish. We also have the number on our mobile app and website at KEYT.com.